I'm going to record this while I'm driving so that I can do a couple of things at one time. And no, it's not a big deal because people talk when they drive, right? So I'm just talking. Hey, guess what? My key doesn't want to work right now. We call this funny shit that you could freak out about happening in real time. Okay. So, currently the car does not have air conditioner. Driver's side door does not open. The window goes down, but it's very, very finicky and acts like it doesn't want to come back up. So I'm trying to start this right now. The temperature in the car is going up. Come on, key. I really don't want to break the key off in this thing right now. Okay. All I have is a spare key, and we see if that works, and if it doesn't work, we call someone, and we go from there. All right. Literally happening in real time. I'm not going to stop recording because this is just too funny. There's a dude that just went by on a bicycle, a homeless person, with everything he owns on his back. And the key just turned. Did you hear that? Gratitude. Tell me that shit doesn't work. The second I just saw that bro on the bicycle and appreciated what I have, the key turned. And not the right key, the spare key. The little crappy key that's broken and hurts my finger to use. Real time, this just all happened. I don't have air conditioning, but this warm air blowing on me feels fantastic. Fantastic! You hear me? Wow. Wow.